Whether you're slim, thick, curvy, athletic, or plus size and proud, that body has survival superpowers. Fat isn't the enemy, sis. Fat is nature's savings account. And today, we're breaking down the science of body types and how different builds thrive in different disaster situations. Because survival don't come in a size 2. It comes in prepared. Let's get into it. Fat is more than cushion. It's fuel. It's warmth. It's hormonal stability. It's energy storage for when the world stops feeding you. In a long-term crisis, famine, disaster, displacement, fat is survival currency. Here's what body fat does for you. 1 pound of body fat equals 3,500 calories of backup energy. That's fuel when food is scarce. Fat acts like your own personal blanket. In cold climates, you survive longer. Think Arctic animals, seals, polar bears, and whales. Women with dangerously low body fat can lose their periods and weaken immunity. You want those hormones regulated when it's time to fight, flee, or strategize. Some vitamins A, D, E, K are fat soluble, meaning your body stores them in fat tissue for later. No fat, no storage. Injuries, impacts, hard landings. A thicker body can handle more brute force. So yeah, all those curves, they might just save your life. Let's break it down by BMI/body build and what each is secretly good at when SHTF. Note, BMI is not perfect. It don't account for muscle versus fat or genetics. But for survival purposes, we're just using it as a loose framework. Underweight/very lean. BMI less than 18.5. Strengths. High agility, can climb, crawl, hide in tight places. Lower calorie needs, stretches limited food longer. Good in short-term sprints or stealth movement. Weaknesses. Less fat equals quick drop into hypothermia in cold environments. Low energy reserve, can't last long in endurance challenges. Higher risk of immune suppression and hormonal imbalance. Best SHTF scenario. Stealth and quick evade maneuvers. Fitting in tight spaces. Hiding and stealth maneuvering. Normal/athletic build. BMI 18.5 to 24.9. Strengths. Power. Stamina. High function metabolism. Quick adaptation to environment. Good lean muscle. Helpful for climbing, building, defending. Weaknesses. May require more calories to maintain muscle. Not great insulation if disaster hits during cold months. Best SHTF scenario. Long distance bugouts. Building endurance and strength. Defending or leading small groups. Curvy/thick build. BMI 25 to 29.9. Strengths. Moderate fat reserve equals buffer for famine or low food supply. Good insulation for cold nights, high altitudes, or water exposure. Often stronger hips, thighs, and lower body, which makes for better endurance. Weaknesses. May tire faster in high heat environments. Midsection fat may make tight maneuvers tricky. Heat intolerance. Best SHTF scenario. Cold climate survival. Shelter in place with rationing. Does not need to take in many calories to survive. Obese/plus size bodies. BMI greater than or equal to 30. Strengths. Highest energy reserve for long starvation periods. Thick insulation, which equals slowest to freeze. Muscle often hidden under fat. Many plus-size women are strong AF. Weaknesses. May struggle in speed/escape scenarios. Higher strain on joints with extended walking. Potential pre-existing health risks such as high blood pressure, diabetes, etc. Best SHTF scenario. Bug in with minimal movement required. Cold, storm-heavy disasters. Nutrient conservation and long-term starvation. Bottom line. There is no perfect survival body. There is only your body and how you train it, fuel it, and love it. So stop comparing, start preparing, and don't just gain weight for survival. That's not the move. Instead, build good fat by consuming nuts, seeds, avocado, olive oil, fatty fish, etc. Train your body to use fat for fuel by practicing intermittent fasting and doing cardio on an empty stomach. Store up high-calorie compact foods, such as protein bars, meal replacements, and nut butters. Unfortunately, the survival world loves to glorify shredded men with axes and abs. But the truth? It's the quiet, curvy auntie with the pantry full of rice and the soft hands that make fire from scratch who makes it to the next season. Stop apologizing for your body. Start optimizing it. Train for what your body can do, not what it looks like. So I ask, are you surviving with your body or against it? Because that pouch, that softness, that strength in your thighs, they were made for the long haul. Nature gave us fat for a reason. Whether you're slim, stacked, or supersized, your body has a role in survival. Learn it, train it, use it. This isn't just about body positivity. It's about body power. Please like, share, subscribe, and drop a heart if you're done hating your body and ready to train it for what it was built to do, survive. And as always, stay healthy, stay confident, and stay ready. Love you, sis.